This is section 376, subsection 3. This new subsection was inserted in 2018 by the Criminal Law Amendment Act of that year with effect from 21st of April 2018. This subsection covers the rape on a woman who is under 16 years of age. Rape on a girl under 16 years of age is put in a special category by this subsection, prescribing a higher punishment. The punishment for this offence is rigorous imprisonment which shall not be less than 20 years. So the minimum punishment for committing rape on a girl under 16 years of age is rigorous imprisonment of 20 years, and this imprisonment may extend to life imprisonment, and life imprisonment here shall mean imprisonment till the end of the natural life of that person. Further, fine shall be a necessary ingredient of this punishment, and the quantum of fine should be just and reasonable to meet medical expenses of the victim and also to meet the rehabilitation expenses of the victim, and this entire fine shall be paid to the victim. Let us now sum up the provisions of section 376. Section 376 punishes a person guilty of the offence of rape under 3 different subsections. The offence of rape is defined in section 375. A person commits rape, or rather a man commits rape, if he does any of the acts which are specified in the first part of section 375 in clauses A to D. Such an act should be done under any one of the circumstances which are specified in the second part of section 375 as first to seventhly. The first subsection of section 376 prescribes punishment for the general offence of rape. The minimum punishment under subsection 1 is 10 years and the maximum punishment is life imprisonment. Where the offence of rape is committed by certain specified categories of persons, or if it is committed against certain special categories of women, or if it is committed under certain specified special circumstances, it is punishable under section 376 subsection 2, and it is generally known as an aggravated form of rape. The punishment under subsection 2 is minimum of 10 years, but the maximum is increased to imprisonment for life till the end of the natural life of that person. Under subsection 3 of section 376, a person who commits the offence of rape on a girl under 16 years of age is punishable, and the punishment here is more severe as compared to the first 2 subsections. The minimum punishment for such a person is 20 years. The maximum punishment is life imprisonment, where it denotes imprisonment till the end of that person's natural life. Section 376A deals with the situation where in the course of commission of rape, an injury is inflicted on the victim, and the injury is such that it causes death of the woman, or it causes the woman to be in a persistent vegetative state. A person who commits an offence of rape and causes such injury to the woman during the course of the commission of rape is liable to be punished under this section with rigorous imprisonment of a minimum of 20 years, which may extend to life imprisonment, where life imprisonment shall mean imprisonment till the end of the natural life of that person. In the alternative, the punishment of death is also prescribed. So, a person who commits rape and in the course of commission of this offense he inflicts an injury which causes death of the woman or causes the woman to be in a PVS, persistent vegetative state, is liable to the extreme penalty of death. Under section 376 AB, which was inserted with effect from 21st of April 2018, rape on a girl under 12 years of age is put in a special category, and here also the maximum penalty of death has been prescribed. Any person who commits rape on a girl under 12 years of age is liable to be punished with minimum imprisonment of 20 years, which may extend to imprisonment for the end of his natural life, along with fine, or in the alternative, he may even be put to death. The fine here, once again, will be just and reasonable to meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim, and the entire fine shall be paid to the victim. We may make a note here that the provisions of this section 376 AB are parallel to the provisions of subsection 3 of section 376. This section was introduced by the Criminal Laws Amendment Act 2018, and that subsection was also introduced by the same Amendment Act. This provision deals with rape on a woman under 12 years of age. That provision under subsection 3 of 376 deals with rape on a woman under 16 years of age. It is felt that it would have resulted in better drafting if this provision would also have been included in section 376 itself by way of a new subsection. It could have been accommodated as subsection 4 of section 376. In that case, 376 subsection 3 would contain the provisions relating to rape on a woman under 16 years of age, and subsection 4 would have contained provisions relating to rape on a woman under 12 years of age.